Right then folks, I hadn't got the microphone on, so this should be better now. Right, so like I said, I'm doing a static test with the microphone, the external microphone, on the LESHP Full HD mini camcorder. So everything seems to be working alright at the moment on it anyway, so far. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm about 10, maybe 12 foot away from the camera. Usual routine. Kenko 3-in-1 coffee. So I'm just waiting for the kettle to boil. So while I think about it, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet on YouTube, please pop over and subscribe, click like, share, and click on the bell icon for future notifications of all videos I upload. There we go. Would be great to see you over there. You can also find me on Facebook, my personal profile, Andy Willie Williams, or you can find me on my Facebook page, which is Dog Walker Andy Williams. Be great to see you over there. Right, the kettle starting to boil. Let's see if we can get a whistle out of it. Well, there's a very, very slight whistle coming from it. Well, it's boiling its head off anyway. Cheers, folks. Damn, I've got no biscuits with me. Oh well. Right, the other test I want to do in the near future. Come here. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Diane's lying down. Why won't you? You rat bag. Right. Yes, I was saying, the other test I want to do is to see how long you can record a video for on this. It's got a maximum of 32 gig memory card. So, but I'm intrigued to see how long you can record each video. But I'm not going to do that this time. So, yeah, it'd be nice to know anyway. Right, what I am going to do, I'm going to turn you around and show you around the area again. Like I said, we're in Madeley, by Madeley Court Hotel and Pool. So, I'm going to show you around a bit anyway. I don't know if the microphone's picking the ducks up. Hopefully it is. Right. It's another nice day here. Not many clouds in the sky. Diane, you're pulling Sally round. Sally, you're pulling Diane round, sorry. Right. Don't get going off. Wait, this way. Come on. Down here where I can see you. Come on, sit. Good girl. Come here, Don. Come here. No, not you. Since when's your name been Di? You've had a fuss. Come here. Come here. No, Di. Di, come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Yay! Hey! No. Right, I hope this video is all working well anyway, so I have done a previous video without the microphone, a static video without the external microphone, just working off the internal. So I might do a 2-in-1 here actually. Right, just hang on a minute. Right then folks, this is with the, like I said, until now I've been working with the external mic. Now I've unplugged it. And I'm going to go back over here. Right, and hopefully you can still hear me. I'm just working off the internal microphone now. You're a big safety, aren't you, Di? Right, so that was with the internal microphone. Now I'm going to put you back to the external. Right then, we're back to working the internal microphone, the external microphone. Sorry for shaking you about while I was plugging it back in. Just find that dog. Sal, come on, down here. Good girl. Come on. Sal. Hey. Come on, down here. Sit down. Come on. Out the way and get me coffee. Right then. That's another test done. So I'll upload this later. And like I said, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please pop over and have a look. There's all sorts of things on there, and there's even more stuff to come in the future. So I look forward to seeing you over there. So bye for now, see you in the next one.